In the last video, we downloaded the community version of MongoDB, which we're going to use as a database server for our app. Now, to look at the contents of a database, you can do that using terminal and the command line, but it's easier I find it easier to look at it using a tool called MongoDB Compass. And you can find that here at this website. And I'll just launch Chrome to download this. And it's easier because it'll attach to your Chrome, your MongoDB installation. It'll attach and it'll draw you pictures, I suppose, or draw you tables in a graphic user interface that show you the contents of your database, the various collections and their contents. So hit this website and you'll see an opportunity to download Compass. There it is. There it is, download here, and just download it. So we're not going to use the command line to install Compass. We're just going to download it and install it like it's an app, like all the other apps you've ever installed on your computer. Great, so the disk image is downloaded now. I'm going to launch the disk image and install Compass. There it is. I'll just drop it into my applications folder. Now it's installed, and I'm going to launch it from here. Just to see if it'll launch. Now it won't, because it needs special permission, because Apple don't trust things outside the App Store. So I need to go to my settings, and this is security one. There it is. And waiting there for me ought to be this one, the permission to open MongoDB Compass. I'm going to say open anyway. Open. And there it is. So it's opening up. You're going to see this every time Compass opens. We don't see the welcome every time Compass opens, but it'll, yep. I'm happy with all this. What we need to see here is this is just a client. This is going to attach to our database later. This is where we're going to write the instructions on how to, where to find the database and how to connect to it. But for now, there is no database. So just leave it installed. It's here for later, and we're going to use it when we create a database and we start putting stuff into it. So if you got this far, we're ready to go on to the next step.